All right, welcome back, boys and girls. Hope you all had a good break. Today we're going to be writing equations in standard form, given either the picture or the zeros, or maybe even both. So on number one, we first have to identify the zeros. The zeros are at -2 and it looks like -5. Now our goal is we want to get it in standard form. So what we're looking to do here is get it into y equals ax squared plus bx plus z form. Okay. Now back to our roots here. If I work backwards here from this, I would move the 2 over. I get x plus 2. I move the 5 over and I get x plus 5. If I throw y equals in there, I'm getting a lot closer. The last thing I need to do is FOIL or box method. So if I box method, draw a little box, got x plus 2, x plus 5. So do all that fun stuff, I get x squared. Let's combine my two middle terms, 7x plus 10, x squared plus bx plus c. Boom. Now, sometimes they may give us a little more information than we need, a little more, I guess, superfluous, if I could use a big word there, info. Pretty sure I use that right. Who knows? So number two, the two things that we need are the roots. We don't really need the vertex. So once again, x equals 3, x equals -1. Move that stuff over, I get x minus 3, x plus 1. It's just opposite. That's all you got to know. And then we're FOILing or box method. So whatever you want, double distribute, whatever. So I get x squared minus 2x minus 3. That's it. On stuff like number 3, where you got fractions, sometimes it might be best to just kind of look at that holistically and just kind of from afar. So x equals -3/4, x equals 2. All right. Now I know a lot of us want to go to go to decimals or something like that, but let's just look at it for a second. If I wanted to get rid of the fraction, I can just multiply everything times 4. So I'm gonna get 4x equals -3. Well, that's okay because I'm trying to get all the stuff on one side. So if I move 3 over, I get 4x plus 3. That's okay. I move 2 over here and I get x minus 2. Then from there I can do box method, FOIL, whatever. So 4x plus 3, x minus 2. So I'm going to get 4x squared. I'll go ahead and show my work for this because it's a little lengthy. All right. Then we got to add our stuff together. So 4x squared minus 5x minus 6. Okay. That's how that one works. Let's do one. Yeah, number 4. Got a little eye action here. So if we write this out, I get x equals -2 plus 3i and x equals -2 minus 3i. Reason why it's plus or minus, or reason why I got 2 is because of the plus or minus. Then if I move that all over, I get x plus 2 minus 3i and x plus 2 plus 3i. Sorry, not x equals over here. My bad. Okay, that'll make sense. So let's go ahead and multiply those. Now for this one, I'm going to need a super duper large box. I'm going to make a 3 by 3. Okay. I got the x plus 2 minus 3i on top, x plus 2 plus 3i there. And it's just FOIL. So I get x squared, 2x, 2x, 4. I think we're okay with the middle sector of those top left 4. And then I got 3ix, -3ix. Maybe those will cancel out. I got 6i, -6i, and then I got -9i squared. All right, so let's see what cancels out. -3xi, or -3ix, whatever. -6i, +6i. So I got x squared plus, combine those, 4x plus 4 minus 9i squared. Now, y'all are smart enough to know that I squared is really -1. So -9 times -1 is +9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Looks like I got y equals x squared plus 4x plus 13. Now, sometimes, anytime you got 3 ordered pairs, we could actually use the calculator too. So on the other one that we had 3 ordered pairs, we could have done the calculator and we got the same thing. Well, we almost have 3 ordered pairs. It's the solutions. The solution means where it crosses the x-axis. So 3, 0, 8, 0, 2, 3. Well, let's use the calculator. So I'm going to open up my calculator here. I'm going to press stat. I'm going to edit. And then my L1 is going to be my X's, L2 is going to be my Y's. It does not matter what order you put them in, as long as you put the correct order pair, as long as you match up the right numbers. As long as you keep X's with X's, Y's with Y's. Then I'm going to press Stat. I'm going to go down to, once I press over to Calc, I'm going to go down to Quadratic Regression. I'm going to press Enter. Boom. Wait, boom. 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 There we go. So I got 0.5x squared. So this is A, that's B, and that's C. So anytime you got 3 order pairs, you can use that right there. Okay. So on, I think 6 and 7 work the same way. Yeah, you got an order pair there. You know, the only thing you might do here is that your order pair is negative 2/5, comma 0. That's okay with fractions. So that one, this one, and this one, those are your 3 order pairs. Same thing for number 7. You got 3 order pairs there. Do that. Always L1, L2, stat, edit, boom, enter them in, and stat, calc, quadratic regression. Good luck. See you mañana.